Hey there! Welcome to our deep dive into the science behind achieving financial freedom. Ready to unlock the secrets of the ultra-wealthy? Let's dive in. Today we'll explore the principles and strategies that can help you build lasting wealth. First off, let's debunk a common myth. Wealth is not about your salary. Many people believe that earning a high income is the key to becoming rich, but that's not necessarily true. Most millionaires and billionaires didn't get rich by trading time for money. They created their wealth by adding value and solving big problems. They focused on innovation, creativity, and providing solutions that people need. Now think about this. Are you focusing on perceived value? It's not just about working hard. It's about working smart and understanding what the market values. Instead of clocking in hours for a paycheck, focus on what you can offer that the market deems worthy. The bigger the problem you solve, the greater your potential wealth. This is the essence of creating value. Consider the difference between a cleaner and an accountant. Both provide value, but one scales much better in the market. The accountant can serve more clients and offer more specialized services, leading to higher earnings. Speaking of scaling, finding scalable solutions is key. Scalability allows you to grow your business without a corresponding increase in costs. Look for ways to replicate your solution and reach a larger audience. Technology, automation, and systems are your best friends here. They enable you to expand your reach and impact exponentially. Look at successful online businesses and software companies. They've mastered this. They leverage technology to scale their operations and serve millions of customers worldwide. So, how can you leverage your solutions into wealth? It starts with identifying a problem you're passionate about solving, and then finding a scalable way to address it. There are two main paths. You can either build a business around your solution, or sell your solution to others. First, you can build a business around your solution, and scale it through franchising or online expansion. This allows you to grow your business and reach more customers. Second, you can sell your solution to existing businesses or individuals either directly, or by creating a product like software. This can be a highly lucrative path if you have a unique and valuable solution. But here's the kicker. Money is a mindset. Your beliefs about money can significantly impact your ability to create and sustain wealth. Shift your thinking from scarcity to abundance. Believe in your ability to create wealth and find solutions. An abundance mindset opens up opportunities and attracts success. The most successful entrepreneurs didn't just have great ideas, they believed in their potential. Action is crucial. They took consistent, focused action towards their goals. Learn from successful entrepreneurs, identify problems you're passionate about solving, and take the first step. Every journey begins with a single step, and the path to wealth is no different. And remember, the journey to wealth isn't always straightforward, but it's possible when you align your mindset and strategies. Stay persistent and adaptable. So, whether you're thinking of starting a business, developing a product, or simply changing your mindset, these are the steps to unlocking financial freedom. These are the steps to unlocking financial freedom. It's a journey that requires dedication, but the rewards are worth it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights on creating wealth and achieving financial freedom. Your support helps us bring you more valuable content. Until next time, keep grinding and stay inspired. Remember, your journey to financial freedom starts now.